Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Had to find a little bit of a better spot today to do some work on my truck. I should have went to the shop. It's really super windy, so excuse the wind noise a bit. But when I was out camping in the Kootenays, my awning light stopped working, and I think I found the problem. I don't know if you can see this, but I'll show you in a bit. I have a broken wire. And I need to figure out what wires are what, because I'm pretty sure the wires changed. So I'm going to start on that, and then I'll see you in a bit. First things first, I'm going to cut this off because, well, it's broken like pretty much right there. So we're going to cut that, and then I'm going to strip this. I need to figure out what wire goes with what. Oh. Alright everybody, I got it off. That was a pain in the butt. That stuff that shrink wrap I used was like hardcore. This is what was talking about. Have to match up the wires. When I was installing this, the wires changed, so I wanted these so I could actually match up the wires again, so they'll be right. And last one, black and blue. So I'm gonna grab a new one of these. I'm gonna splice it. I'm gonna re-splice this a little bit better, and then I'm going to reconnect everything. Alright everyone, got all the butt connectors connected to this male end. So now I'm going to start on this and go from there. And hopefully this works. Yes, because it sucks when things break. And it's windy. So I don't know if I'm going to do my second half. I might. I'm not too sure if I brought what I needed, so we'll see. That might be a tomorrow thing. Okay, these wires are so thin, it's not even funny. It's no wonder they broke. That I have the one that I just had. This one. This might be a pain in the ass because these are so kind of tight together. Yeah, I should have stripped that a little bit before. And so we're gonna start blue and black. There we go, blue. All right, we have them. I'm gonna test them to make sure they don't come out. Okay, hopefully that's the thing. I'm just gonna plug it in, and then we're gonna test it out, and hopefully it works. Well, everyone, I have it plugged in. Did not seem to fix the issue, so I'm thinking. So what happened is, when I was in the Kootenays or North Star Provincial Park, I had it like this, and I closed it, and I think it got bound up, and it crushed the wire. So I'm thinking one of these wires in here got cut, or is like really bad. So I need to figure out where. I'm gonna go where all these cuts are, but I think I'm gonna cut a big section out of it. I'm pretty sure it's in this section right here, and then I'm gonna go from there. Here, and probably I'm gonna say right about here. I'm kind of curious, so I'm gonna strip this back a bit. Bingo! I think I found it. That broke really easy. Yeah, that broke really easy. So I'm thinking one of those wires were tostados. So I'm hoping so. So now I'm just gonna strip this a bit. Not too much to break the wire, but enough. Okay. Well, it's gonna be a little short. Maybe not. I'm kind of glad I got 15 of these butt connectors because I'm probably gonna blow through them. So, time to put the butt connectors on. There, that one did not want to go in. 1, 2, 3, 4. There, done deal. Now I just need to unplug this because it'll make my life way easier later. All right, I'm really hoping this works. If it doesn't work, I don't, maybe I shorted something out, but honestly, it only makes sense. It was working fine right up until I closed the hatch on my wiring too hard, and it just stopped working like right now. I need to get rid of those because they're starting to drive me nuts. No, hold that in place. All right, everyone, I got it respliced in. That was, let me just tell you, a pain. So now, line this up and pray. I checked the fuse already and it fuse was fine. So, yeah, I don't know. Something died. I don't know what it was, but something is not right. I'm wondering if I shorted something out or, yeah. Well, shit. Well, I don't know. It didn't work again. So I think I'm gonna hop in the back. I'm really confused. The broken wire should have fixed the issue. But maybe that fuse is screwed. Maybe I should try to replace the fuse. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna pull this out really quick. Set it right here. First things first, I need to find a screwdriver. There it is. Yeah, I'm confused. I don't know. Well, we're gonna revamp, and then if this doesn't work, then I think I'm gonna have to replace that panel because I might have shorted it out. First things first, I need to figure out which one's which. This is it, I think. Yeah. So I got nothing. I honestly have not a clue why this is not working. I thought I would have been pretty safe. I thought I found the broken wire, but honestly, I don't see any other place where it could be broken at all. My only other thing is I'm thinking maybe that thing just up and died, which is possible. I don't know. I do not know. Yeah. So I got nothing. Sorry, guys. I thought I was gonna have this fixed. I'll keep you posted. Maybe another video when I figure it out or something. Unless I can figure out something today, I'll put something at the end of the video. All right. I'll see you in the next video. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, comment. I wish I had more for you. I don't know. I found the broken wires. I repaired them. I'm stuck. So, see you on the next one.